Hello. Apart from doing the coaching and running Birka, I also love to teach. I've always done it next to my professional work as a theater producer. I taught at the university when I was younger. I've also been teaching at the performing arts schools here in Copenhagen. I do a lot of speaking engagement and also workshops, and I really love to do it. It's nice to reach a larger audience with some of the knowledge and competences that I have. I love to talk about the performing arts sector and the problems and the visions of the performing arts. I'm also very interested in cultural politics actually, and I'm very active on an international base in Europe. I'm currently sitting in the advisor committee of ITM, so I know a lot about what's going on and what discussions is happening. I'm quite a lot interested in equality issues, diversity issues, also issues on art in rural areas is of course high on my priority list to talk about. So there's lots of places where I would love to sit in a panel and discuss different things. But I also love to do workshops, and I really like to go deep in with the teaching on for artists, primarily about what does it mean to be an artist. Aside from knowing your trade and your professions, you also need to know stuff about the sector that you're working in, how it's functioning, this whole area of artistic entrepreneurship. I have been doing workshops at Birka on artistic entrepreneurship. Currently, we also have spring labs or capacity workshops connected to the Island Connect that I'm organizing. I actually also love to help to organize panels and discussions around some of these themes and areas, and I've been doing that quite a lot. For example, for the Waste Festival here in Denmark. So yes, I'm up for a challenge. So if you feel that I could be beneficial to be part in anything like that, just give me a shout out, send me a mail. Hi.